Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve lag on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve lag on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram app and you can click. Then this list of app info, you will click on first app and you will enter to OK. You click OK. Here we'll enter to storage app, to storage the window. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.